Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we have one very interesting and challenging question from algebra. Here we have x plus 1 over x equal to square root 3. Then we have to find x power 40 plus 1 over x power 40 plus x power 24 plus 1 over x power 24. So let's get started by writing required expression equal to e first. We have exponents 40 and 24 in our required expression, which we can write 40 is 32 plus 8. And if we will write 24 with same numbers, we have to put minus sign in between. So our required expression will become x power 32 plus 8 plus 1 over x power 32 plus 8 plus x power 32 minus 8 plus 1 over x power 32 minus 8. Now we'll be using two powerful exponent laws. First one is a power b plus c. This can be written as a power b times a power c. And second law, a power b minus c will be equal to a power b over a power c. So we will write E equal to x power 32 times x power 8 plus 1 over x power 32 times x power 8 plus x power 32 over x power 8 plus x power 32 in the denominator and in the numerator x power 8. Now we will rewrite our expression. I will consider these two terms all together and these two terms all together. So let us write expression first. Here it is. Now from these two terms, we can take x power 32 common out. So we will write x power 32 common. In the bracket, we need to write x power 8 plus 1 over x power 8. From these two terms, we can take 1 over x power 32 common out. So in the bracket, we will write 1 over x power 8 plus x power 8. Now x power 8 plus 1 over x power 8 is overall common. So we will write here x power 8 plus 1 over x power 8. In other bracket, we will get x power 32 plus 1 over x power 32. So this is our required expression E. Now, so we have to find x power 8 plus 1 over x power 8 and x power 32 plus 1 over x power 32. Let's find out. So we will write here the given equation x plus 1 over x. If this is equal to square root 3, now we will square both sides. So we will write x plus 1 over x whole square equal to square root 3 whole square. Now we will use a plus b whole square identity and we can write x square plus 1 over x square. Then we will write plus 2 times x times 1 over x equal to 3. Now x and denominator x will be over. We will get x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 equal to 3. Now we have to subtract 2 from both sides. So we will get x square plus 1 over x square. Value will be 1. Our target is to find x power 8 plus 1 over x power 8 first. So we will square once again. Again we'll be using a plus b whole square identity. We will get x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 plus 2 equal to 1. Now we will subtract 2 from both the sides to get the value of x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4. So we are going to get 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. Again we will consider squaring both sides to get the value of x power 8 plus 1 over x power 8. So I will write here x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 equal to minus 1. We'll put power 2 both sides. We have to use a plus b whole square formula. We will get x power 8 plus 1 over x power 8 plus 2 equal to negative 1 whole square will be 1. Now we'll be subtracting 2 from both the sides to get the value of x power 8 plus 1 over x power 8, which will be equal to negative 1. Now x power 32 plus 1 over x power 32. We will square twice. So let us consider squaring x power 8 plus 1 over x power 8 whole square equal to minus 1 whole square. So we can write here x power 16 plus 1 over x power 16 plus 2 equal to 1. By subtracting 2 both sides, we will be getting x power 16 plus 1 over x power 16 value 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. So to find the value of x power 32 plus 1 over x power 32, we need to consider squaring for the last time. So I will write here x power 16 plus 1 over x power 16 equal to minus 1. Now we'll be squaring both sides. Now we'll use a plus b whole square formula. So x power 32 plus 1 over x power 32 plus 2 will be equal to 1. Now we will subtract 2 from both the sides. So we will get x power 32 plus 1 over x power 32 value 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. So our both unknown expressions, if I will write here x power 8 plus 1 over x power 8, this was also negative 1. So both the values are negative 1. If we will write our required expression, then it was product of both the expressions. X power 8 plus 1 over x power 8 times x power 32 plus 1 over x power 32. Now we will put both the values. So we can write here E will be equal to minus 1 times minus 1. Our answer will become 1. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.